When you buy a new bike, do you want to show off your skills immediately? Just slow it down, watch this video and then try it, which will make your riding experience better. In this video, let's learn how to change the grip positions to change our riding posture, making our riding more efficient and comfortable. There are three most common grip positions on road bikes: hoods, tops, and drops. Before we enjoy riding, we better know positions and applicable scenarios of three grip ways. 1. Hoods. Stretch your hands forward normally and naturally hold the rubber sleeve. Hoods is commonly used in leisure riding and is the easiest way to shift. Under this riding posture, the upper body is straight. It's comfortable compared with other grip ways, especially when riding in the city, which encounters many direction and speed changes. However, it has a large windward area and great wind drag, so it is not suitable for downhill or high-speed riding. On the other hand, under this posture, the width of the hand is approximately equal to the shoulder width, so it is the best way to rock the bike uphill. 2. Drops. Hold the lower part of the road bike's curved handlebar. Since its windward area is the smallest, the aerodynamic performance is the best. This grip is common among professional riders, and if you are a novice rider, you need to practice in advance. Due to its good aerodynamics, it is mainly suitable for high-speed downhill, flat road sprinting, etc. If you want to achieve the best aerodynamic posture, you need the assistance of the body. Hold the lower handlebars with both hands. At the same time, the forearms should be as parallel to the ground as possible and elbows should be at 90 degrees. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your back as parallel to the ground as possible. Except that, this grip position is the best braking position. It should be noted that when going downhill at high speed, you should hold the handlebars with both hands to prevent losing balance. When going downhill with many turns, you need to predict the road condition and brake in advance to avoid falling. 3. Tops. Tops grip way is generally more suitable for novices to get started quickly. However, since the distance between the hands on the handlebar is shorter than that of the shoulders, it is not good enough to control the bike. Moreover, the distance to the brake is far away, so it is impossible to brake in time, so it is best not to use tops grip in a situation with a lot of traffic or pedestrians. If you are riding a long distance, you can take this grip way to relax on a familiar road, and if you are climbing a gentle slope for a long distance, you can sit and cooperate with the tops grip way for more comfort. Different grip ways adapt to different riding environments. If you are a novice, practicing in the corresponding environment will have unexpected efforts. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to leave a message if you have anything to share. We are looking forward to your idea and story.